Before buying a cordless mini electric screwdriver, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Cordless 155 in 1 set. Let's kick things off with the Cordless 155 in 1 mini electric screwdriver. Priced at $59.99, this one caught my attention because of its versatility. It's labeled as a bestseller for good reason. If you want a comprehensive toolkit that can handle almost any electronics repair, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This screwdriver offers 5 adjustable torque levels, maxing out at 0.75 Nm, which means you can precisely control how much power you're using. It's designed for delicate tasks like fixing your phone or console where too much force could damage the device. With a rechargeable battery that can last up to 1.5 hours, you're looking at the potential to unscrew around 1,500 screws before needing a recharge. Plus, the built-in LED lights really help when you're working in tight or dim spaces. Now, some people complained about the weight. At 0.94 kg, it's not the lightest option. Here's the thing though, if you're using it primarily for detailed work, that added weight can actually give you more stability and control. This is perfect for you if you need an all-in-one solution for various tech repairs. Skip this one if you're looking for something super lightweight for casual use. For the price, you're getting a lot of value and tools packed into one kit. Now, if the Cordless's weight is a concern for you, the next one on our list is much lighter. Product number 2, high-spec mini electric screwdriver. Next up is the high-spec small electric screwdriver, going for just $22.99. This one stood out to me due to its incredible popularity with over 15,000 reviews. If you're looking for a budget-friendly tool that can tackle everyday tasks, this is a solid choice. Why is this important? It has a rechargeable battery that takes about 3–5 hours to charge fully. But once it does, you have plenty of power for handling various small projects, thanks to its 180 RPM speed and 4 Nm of torque. This means you can easily assemble furniture or fix fixtures without breaking a sweat. However, some users mentioned that it's not suitable for heavy-duty tasks. Here's the thing, if you're mainly using it for light jobs like tightening screws or installing small brackets, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use screwdriver for household projects. Skip this one if you need something for more demanding repairs. For under $25, it's a great entry-level tool for DIY tasks. Alright, that was a great option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for precision work. Product number 3, Cordless Cordless Precision Screwdriver. Now, let's talk about the Cordless Mini Electric Screwdriver priced at $26.09. I liked this one because it's compact and comes packed with features at a reasonable price. If you want a precise tool for small electronic repairs, this is worth a glance. It's also equipped with 4 LED lights so you can see what you're doing even in dark spots. The battery lasts about 1.5 hours, allowing you to tackle around 1,000 screws before needing a recharge. This means less downtime when you're in the middle of a project. However, some users noted the lack of a more extensive bit set. Here's the thing though, while it may not come with every bit imaginable, the included 38 pieces cover most common repairs you'll encounter. This is perfect for you if you work on smaller electronics often. Skip this one if you need something for larger jobs. Overall, for the price, it offers fantastic value for precision tasks. Now, if the limited bits are a concern for you, the next option has a much larger selection. Product number 4, Unimella Mini Electric Screwdriver Set. Up next is the Unimella Mini Electric Screwdriver Set priced at $27.98. I found this one to be impressive because it's an all-in-one kit with a ton of accessories. If you want versatility in your repairs, definitely check this out. What makes this stand out is its 140 precision bits, which means you can handle just about any electronic device you come across. The screwdriver has a torque range from 0.15 to 0.35 Nm, providing excellent control for various tasks. With 200 RPM speed and a rechargeable battery, it's designed to make your repairs quick and efficient. Plus, the fact that it comes with 19 repair tools is just a bonus. Now, some users did mention that the size might be a bit bulky for very intricate work. Here's the thing, if you're using it for most electronic repairs, the size shouldn't be too much of a hassle. This is perfect for you if you're into repairing a variety of gadgets. Skip this one if you want something ultra-compact. For what you get, this kit is a steal. Moving on, if you want something specifically designed for precision without all the extra bits, the next option might be just what you need. Product number 5, Solilware Electric Precision Screwdriver Set. Finally, we have the Solilware Electric Precision Screwdriver Set, available for $31.99. This one grabbed my attention because of its high-capacity battery and durable bits. If you need a reliable tool for frequent repairs, this might be your best bet. It comes with 80S2 steel bits designed to handle everything from laptops to smartphones. You'll get a lot of use out of it before needing to recharge, and with the USB-C port, charging is super convenient. Some users have pointed out that the pop-up storage can be a bit tricky to manage. Here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the organization actually makes accessing bits much quicker. This is perfect for you if you're frequently working on electronics and need a robust tool. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler design without too many bits. For the quality and features, it's reasonably priced. Let's wrap this up with a quick comparison of all 5 options. Looking at all 5 products, each has its strengths. The Cordless 155-in-1 set is best for comprehensive repairs, while the high-spec offers great value for everyday tasks. The Cordless Mini is a solid precision tool, and the Unimella stands out with its extensive accessory kit. Lastly, the Solilware is for those who need a reliable, durable option. Whichever you choose, you can't go wrong with these amazing cordless mini electric screwdrivers.